A video comparing these two USB to XLR cables. I have one from Devinal and another one from Tisono. You can see them here plugged into this dock. I'm going to let you know that the sound is exactly the same from both of these, whether it's plugged into this dock or directly into the computer. Starting with the Tisono, that is now plugged in, and there is a sound coming from the Kali audio speakers now. If you can hear that sound, it's kind of like a fluttering sound. Now we're going to try the Devinal one. Now the Devinal one is plugged into the dock. It is also plugged into the speaker here over XLR. And you should be able to hear the noise coming through still. Unfortunately, neither of these are good at rejecting noise, and this one is apparently not either, as tested on Audio Science Review. I do not know of a solution that is good for USB to XLR cables.